Breaking news coming in. Under pressure following the arrest of two girls in Palghar in Maharashtra, the government has finally decided to ensure that the Information Technology Act is not misused. Well, the government will be issuing guidelines to the state very soon. The decision comes after a meeting of the Telecom Ministry headed by Kapil Sibal. Sources are telling us that the ministry guidelines to state governments is to prevent the misuse of Section 66A of the IT Act. Well, the changed guidelines will require any police officer to seek prior permission of the SSPs in rural areas and IGPs in urban areas before filing a case against anyone. Well, the government has involved Cyber Advisory Regulatory Committee and members of civil society in its deliberations as well. Meanwhile, there is a huge relief for the two girls, Shaheen and Renu, who underwent a harrowing time ever since their arrest following a Facebook post against the late Bal Thackeray. Well, after the uproar against their arrest and an internal police probe, cops have decided to not file a charge sheet in this matter. They will be, however, filing a closure report, which means technically the charges against the girls will be dropped. Well, there's more breaking news coming in. Concerned over the arrest of two girls in Palghar in Maharashtra over a Facebook post, the Supreme Court is hearing a PIL challenging the constitutional validity of Section 66A of the IT Act. The court is hearing the PIL on an urgent basis. The PIL has been filed by Shreyansh Singhal, drawing attention of the court to the gross misuse of the section of this IT Act. Well, the section provides for action against people for posting offensive and annoying comments on websites or other electronic mediums. Joining us with the very latest on this big breaking news coming in is our correspondent Vidya from Mumbai. Well, Vidya, tell us a bit more on this PIL which is being heard in the Supreme Court on an urgent basis. Well, it seems that we've lost that line with our correspondent. We will try and get back in a word with Vidya, but let's also tell you about this big breaking news coming in that concerned over the arrest of these two girls in Palghar in Maharashtra. This over a Facebook post by one of them and the other one who had liked the post. The Supreme Court is hearing a PIL which is challenging the constitutional validity of Section 66A of the IT Act. Remember, this is the section of the IT Act which has come under immense criticism after the entire Palghar Facebook controversy broke out. Well, the court is hearing the PIL on an urgent basis. The PIL has been filed by Shreyansh Singhal, who is drawing attention of the court to the gross misuse of this section of the IT Act. Remember, this section provides for action being taken against people for posting offensive and also annoying comments on websites or other electronic mediums. This, remember, was the act under which these two girls were being charge-sheeted against. However, there is a bit of relief coming in for these two girls in Palghar that there are no charges being framed against them. All charges have been dropped because a closure report is now going to be filed in this case.